Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to go back using gestures on this device. Okay, so let's begin. So let's say we have opened, I don't know, the settings, and we have get into more things, and now you don't know how to get back using the gestures. So to do it, you need to perform a swipe move from the left edge of the screen and simply swipe to the right side. Just like that. Boom. Boom. And as you can see, now we are in the home screen. So that's how you can perform that action. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.